Hello, my dear. Welcome to the ingredient channel. In this week's episode, we're making spicy dried radish. Long before refrigerators became popular and affordable in normal households in my hometown, dehydrated vegetables along with pickles were normally consumed in the winter. Nowadays, many of these recipes with dried vegetables not only have survived, but also are thriving due to their unique tastes or special nutrition. The spicy dried radish is one of them, and I hope you enjoy this easy recipe. Like I mentioned in previous episodes, my hometown in China is near the border of Russia and the Korean Peninsula. As a result, it is very typical to see Russian or Korean fusion food around. The spicy dried radish recipe I'm sharing today is indeed very Korean. It is spicy, savory, crispy, but chewy. I love it so much that most of the time you will find one jar of the radish in my refrigerator. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Prepare 1.5 cups of dried radish. I'm using the one that I got from Korean grocery store. Soak it in tapped water for about 20 minutes. And rinse them thoroughly. As you see, the water is getting very yellowish. Rinse them until the water is very, very clear. Squeeze all of the water out and put it aside. In a heated pan, no oil is needed. Add some minced ginger. Pour the radish in. Stir fry them. Medium heat, otherwise they could be burned. Low or medium is fine. Add a little bit of salt and stir fry for about 5 minutes. And then in a container, add the light soy sauce and dried chili powder, chili paste, and sesame oil, and honey. Mix well. Add some scallion, chopped, then the radish, which is still hot at this moment. And mix them well. Sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds. They're ready to go. Like I said, put it in a jar, store in the refrigerator, and you can take them out any moment during the week to eat. And it's just so tasty. I love them so much. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Good to have you today. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like my video, and appreciate the support. See you next time.